a life where you can afford the things that you want and need, and a life that you've built yourself. And while you won't become a millionaire working this gig, if you're a beginner looking for ways to just bring more money in month on month, then listen close because I want to help you achieve your goals and more. If you want to at least give yourself a shot at a life that you want, then stick around for the entire video. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways to make money online. Our mission is to help you become more financially savvy and gain financial freedom. So if making more money is a goal of yours, then make sure that you like this video and that you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of our content. Also, make sure that you click on the notification bell so that you're updated and can get started right away. With all of that said, let's go make some money. Alright, so the very first thing that you would need to do would be to head on over to this platform called rapidworkers.com. If you haven't heard of it before, it's a crowdsourcing service. On their website, it says more specifically that Rapid Workers combines both workers and employers in order to help out individuals, small businesses, and professionals to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, improve ranking, backlinks, and much more. So as you may have guessed, I will be asking you to sign up as a worker on this platform. You can browse the micro jobs that they have available for you, select the jobs that you like or think will be a good fit for you, complete the required tasks, and submit proof and earn money through PayPal, through bank transfer, among others. Before I take you through registration, let me just give you a quick reminder to please hit the like and subscribe buttons below until they change in color if you're liking this content so far. Thank you very much. Here we go. Clicking on this button that says Be Part of Rapid Workers Now should take you to their registration page. It's quick and easy. You just need to type in your name, your email address, your password, choose the country that you're from, click on I'm not a robot, agree to the terms and conditions, and you should be good to go. Just make sure not to use a VPN and to specify the exact country of your residence accurately because they do warn new users about this. Doing so may keep you from getting paid, and you may also end up being banned on the platform, which would totally defeat the purpose of this tutorial. They also have a few other rules that you'll need to follow. Again, it's nothing too strict. Just the usual stuff like multiple accounts with the same IP address are not allowed, or same IP used with other accounts to do tasks, or performing country-specific tasks for a country that you're not really from is not allowed either. So let's say that you're watching this from India and you find a job specifically for a US resident. It would be best that you skip it because there is no guarantee that you will be paid even if you complete the task and do so well. Alright, so after registration, you'll need to check your email because they will be sending you a verification link that you'll need to click on. And once you do that, you're in. Which is a small win in itself because Rapid Workers actually does offer new users a sign-up bonus of between $1 to $5. So this is what your dashboard should look like. Go ahead and browse this part because it's here that you'll find all of the different jobs and tasks that you can choose from. As you can see, there is a whole lot of them, which makes the tasks that you can do and the money that you can make pretty much limitless. One thing that I appreciate about this platform is that it's easy to see how much time you'll more or less need to spend on each task, as well as the exact amount you will get paid for your effort. On average, each task should take around 3 minutes to complete, which I personally love because I do find free pockets of time throughout my day, and using this platform as a way to monetize those precious few minutes is the way that I like to do it. This way, your downtime or the time that you spend just waiting at the bank or in the bathroom can turn into something that you're actually already earning from. As you can see, there are also a few tasks here that might take a while longer to complete, say between 10 to 20 minutes a piece. So if you do have more free time than just a couple of minutes, then you can go ahead and try those out too. Again, just make sure that you take notice of and pay attention to which country the target workers would be from, because it is against their policy for a user to complete a task that isn't assigned to a user's country of residence. So if you want to get paid and to keep using this platform as a way to earn, then just abide by their rules. Besides, there are enough international jobs to go around. Okay, while there are plenty of tasks for you to choose from, the main way that you're going to be making money through this platform is by liking videos. And to do that, I want you to click on YouTube on the job name search bar over here and click on this button that says Most Paying. The jobs will then be arranged from highest to least paying, and you'll be able to see the information along with the time it will take you to complete the task. So go ahead and do that to see and get access to all of the highest paying tasks first. This way, you'll be able to focus your attention and effort on what will give you the highest reward. Now, as you can see, there are tasks here that pay you this much money for just this amount of time. Other tasks take the same amount of time to complete but pay much less than this, so it's actually a no-brainer to start here. So let's say you intend to allocate 30 minutes to an hour on rapid workers. You can block your time so that you know which tasks to complete first, how much time you would need, and how much money you would have made upon completing everything. Let me try one out right now so I can show you. So this task is available internationally, and the pay and estimated time sound reasonable to me. So let me click on that right now. As you can see, it will take me to this other page. More details are available here, and if I read and follow all of the instructions, the payment will be sent directly to my PayPal account after I complete the task. And that's it. I sure hope that you liked this video and that you found this strategy helpful. And if you did, what are you waiting for? Get started working on it right away. Taking the first step by signing up should take you one step closer to achieving your goals and making more money for yourself. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, then by all means, leave them down in the comment section below and I will help you if I can. And while you're at it, also let me know what you want to see next and I'll make sure to include it in our video lineup if enough of you ask for it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you back here on the next one.